welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and today we're having some issues with a Goodman furnace. We're checking out our AC, and this video is all about understanding your low voltage wire. So we came here and we realized that the previous technician may have wired the wrong wires going out to the AC, which it will never work if you don't have the correct wire. So what we're gonna have to do is take off this wire here, go inside of the unit and make sure we have the correct wire on our terminals going to our common and our cooling, and make sure it's connected. But I definitely know that's not the colors we have in here. See, they have red and white, but inside we have yellow and blue. So we got to go inside and check this and strip this wire back and redo this. We also want to tell you that is a good way to check a shot. If you want to make sure you have continuity, you can always wire the two wires here from the inside. You could wire them together, and then you could go with your meter and test for continuity. So this video is all about understanding the wires and making sure that your AC unit or your thermostat or whatever you have has the correct wire running, so we could avoid a problem like this. So we definitely have to redo all our wiring. All right guys, we will go inside and I will actually explain to you when we get inside about some of the wiring and making sure we have the correct wire on our furnace board going outside to make sure we're doing this properly, so there wouldn't be no cause like that. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video again. And this is a Goodman furnace we're working on. It's a 3.5 ton unit. Alright guys, and we will go inside and take off from where we left off. Alright guys, thank you. Okay guys, we're back at the furnace and we're paying attention to the furnace board, as you can see, and we're trying to verify that the wires we have outside at our condenser is the same wires inside, and we all need this to be correct, so the furnace is going to send the signal to the outside so our condenser could come on. And we came in here, and if you guys would remember from our last videos, we have a red and white, and I said that this is the wrong wires. I said that I think that the technician didn't verify that the wires we have here. So we're on a service call, and I just wanted to point out that. So let's look. This is our common terminal right over here, and you see we have these two blue wires. Now one of those wires is going up to our thermostat and one is going out though. So we know for a common wire outside we got to use this blue, and the cooling is always our yellow, and we're looking here and we see here they use the yellow. So we have yellow going outside and we have common going outside. So these are the two wires. We have to hook up those to our low voltage wire to make sure that we get the correct signal going to the condenser, otherwise our furnace would not work. Just to recap, as we hear, this is heat here. W is for heat, and we have that white. We have green for our fan, and we have red. It's our power. So it's all about understanding your wires, and once you can understand wires, then believe me, your job will become a lot easier once you can understand your low voltage wiring, which is one of the most important things that you could do when you're checking a furnace. Also, when you're working on a furnace, also look in the back here. I think the other technician missed that. All this stuff, there shouldn't be anything there, and you should have a free movement of the fan blade. Alright guys, thanks for looking at the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comments. Alright, see you guys on the next video. What we're gonna do now is, we know the colors that we have, so we're gonna wire it up to our outside unit. Alright guys, thank you for viewing the video. All we have to do is go outside, verify what you have on common and what you have on Y for cooling, and connect it to your low voltage outside. Alright, once you could do that, you will be alright and your job will become a lot easier. Again, thanks for subscribing.